Order filled.
Good morning, good morning. It is 9:30 on May 2nd. Let's get this out to the group. All right. I have this new thing that Brian sent me. I'm really excited about it. Ooh, are we moving down? I talked about this in the student call. All right, let me get on TikTok. I was trying to also load up. Oops, what is that? No. Let's do this. Yes. All right, go live. I already drank a good amount of my tea, which is good. And I don't want the analyzer. I was trying to pull up a new chart to... There we go. This is the exact move that we talked about on the student call. So I really hope break is in this short for $200. I really hope some of my students are also in this short. If you're new here, welcome. My name's Lauren. I go live every day from 9:30 to 10:30, showing you my auto trading algorithm. I guess I'll put that here. I'm going to move this over. I wonder if I should back it up a little bit. Maybe like this. Yeah. And then you can tell I'm trading futures. Hi, good morning. Welcome. Please hit that follow button and tap that screen if you appreciate the stream. Maybe I'll put this down here. All right, we are in the short green 140 on break 160, but I'm also trying to load up fast or Santa. I don't know. Sometimes I just feel like running fast. I ran fast on 200 yesterday, but it wasn't the best. Strategies. I think it was maybe read like $200 or even or something like that, but it wasn't like super exciting, if that makes sense. If you have any questions, please put them in the chat. If you're new here, the sale for Apex did end yesterday. I hope you guys all got your Apex accounts for 90% off because that was a huge, huge sale. Sometimes they do 80% off, but I had never seen 90% off, so, and then they extended it, so that was like a big deal. Hi, Bagsy. So let's see if we can break down below this 300 again, or if they want to bring it back up to that 13,330. That is a really strong resistance area. Please hit that thumbs up if you're on YouTube. Not in any, well, the break is still in that short, but I'm not in any other trades at the moment. I put fast on, so when fast takes a trade, I'll put it in front and show you guys. If you have any questions, let me know. Top of the morning. Hi, how are you? This is our chop zone today. This is a proprietary zone that I give my students every single day by 2 or 3 a.m. Also, this yellow line is a proprietary level that I give my students every day. Yes, there is a report at 10 a.m. Thank you, Jen, for reminding us of that. This is a 20-minute chart. It's just one of my favorites to look at, but this is a chop zone. This is the LIS. We use these each and every day to help us with our manual trading.
Order filled.
So we don't trade within the chop zone. That's always like the most common question. Oil overnight is 2 for 2. I can show you guys that. Those are these trades here, 2 for 2. Yesterday, oil was also 2 for 2 for $700. Last night, it only made $200. We typically don't trade it on Tuesdays anyway because oil can be a little funky on Tuesdays. I don't have those stocks. I don't even know what company that is. Is that one of the ones that's been like merging or having something else happening that I'm not aware of? I feel like I'm out of the know with everything, which is insane. I hope you guys joined the afternoon stream yesterday. We're going to have another afternoon stream today. So Jen is going to be live today this afternoon. Whether it's 2 p.m. or 3 p.m., that is to be determined. Jen, if you know if you're going to go at 2 or 3, please let me know just so then I can let the chat know. Jen is in the chat right now, but she's going to be on this account, so she will 2 p.m. So 2 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, and I will remind you guys of that before I get off today at 10:30. Remember, that is just on TikTok, not on YouTube, as in the morning I do go live on YouTube and TikTok. So no other trades yet. Just kind of waiting. I have YM off to the side. I have NQ fast off to the side. And I have this new NQ that I've been testing off to the side. Early is in a long. We are in a long here. Let's see. We already hit TP1 and we already hit TP2. There we go. 2 targets both hit. Nice early. That was awesome. Put that in the chat. Early was 3 for 3 yesterday for $600. So that was a lot of fun. Jen, I'm going to pin that. Thank you so much. I think my little headers are being received well. Because can you guys see this is purple or does it look like a different color to you? I might try to like angle you guys down, but it's such big text. I might have to like minimize this text a little bit. It's just this extra thing that you can add to your computer. So green instead of 50, maybe I'll do like 40. That's a little better. Yeah. So then I can zoom you guys in a little more.
Order bill.
All right. Cool. Whoa, we're in a $300 short here. Let's pull that in the front. This is on fast. I didn't even notice because I was too busy updating that picture. If you want more information about my algorithm, you're new here, please follow. I go live every day from 9:30 to 10:30. And if you want more info, just email me boldbotllc@gmail.com. Yes, early already hit target. It's 1 for 1 on the day. Oh, why did I think it hit the second? I really thought it hit my second too. And now we're in this $350 short. Nice. Dan just got $200 on NQ Pink. NQ Pink is awesome too. NQ Pink has been really performing lately. So that is exciting. I love it. If you guys have questions, please put them in the chat. This just locked up that trade. So $300 on scalper there. If we look back on... This is, oh my gosh, do you guys see what happened here? Literally, it touched the LIS, which is a level that only my students get, and then it rejected. Do you see this yellow line? Like, this is all part of the mentorship, because I talked about this on the live stream this morning. I said we could pull back to the LIS and then reject. I want to know who in my student channel got that move. Thanks for the follows, guys. Hey, Carrie, how are you? We're in a long now of scalper. So we're in a long green, $45. When this goes positive 200, it will automatically move my stop loss up. Nice big moves this morning. We're really getting some large movement. But if you see this, this is my stop loss. It's a $200 stop loss. And then it will move itself up when this goes positive 200. So we already saw like 110. It needs to go 200 and then it will move itself. And I would love to see it because then it will actually complete. Do you see that touch? Do you guys see that touch? That touch is insane. Like that was a perfect touch. And then my algorithm got in the short. All right, green 125 on this long. Let's see what happens here. So yeah, Jen is going to be doing some afternoon live streams. I'm really excited for that. I was live yesterday afternoon from 2 to 3. She's going to do 2 to 3 today. And then she'll also be on Wednesday and Friday. So that will be a lot of fun. Thanks, Jen. If you guys... So if you want to become a student, you can either take my digital mentorship or my coaching program. The digital mentorship is 16 one-hour videos. And then you get access to manual alerts every day from 8 a.m. to 2 p.m. You get access to the student channel. You get access to the private student call in the morning. And obviously you get the LIS, you get the chop zone every single day. Break is in a short. Let's see if it curls around here. Look at this drop. We went right to 77. That looks like a nice level. Where's this other one?
Order submitted.
I'm going to add that. Yep, so it's, she just put it above. Yeah, it's $1,200. one-time payment, and you get access to the 16 hours worth of videos, and they are forever. Like you can watch them over and over as much as you want, as many times as you need to. Range just hit again. Scalper is not in anything. Break is in a $500 short. Hold on, I want to show you guys that, but I have to change this account because I don't have it on that one. So this is break. It's in a $500 short. And as you can see, the trail will trail it down the whole way. I can move you guys closer so you can see this. I feel like my phone has been super blurry lately. That's a little better. I need to there, that's a little better, right? My phone stand, I needed to make it go higher or something. All right, scalper's in a long, so we'll see what happens there while this is in a short.
Order canceled.
Still in this short, green 545. This is on break, which is another one we're going to be releasing. YM is in a long. Let's see what happens there. Thanks for the likes, guys. If you appreciate the stream, I really appreciate if you tap that screen and send some likes. Target is down here at 33. If you want more information, just email me. The email is on the screen, boldbotllc@gmail.com. If you're on YouTube, please give a thumbs up. All right, so profit was taken there. This is NinjaTrader. I'm going to back you guys up a little bit now. Now you guys can kind of see the purple, right? Boop, boop, boop. All right, cool. So went down, bounced off of that. YM is in this long, green, $165. And Q is also in a long on the scalper. Let me bring that around.
Order bill.
Oh, it just took profit. So it was in this long and it just took profit. I have so many charts that sometimes I have to keep them to the side. Yep, if you have any other questions, feel free to put them in the chat. I would love to answer them. Again, I go live every day from 9:30 to 10:30 Eastern Standard Time. And then we are now also doing afternoon live streams, so typically 2 to 3 p.m. or 3 to 4 p.m. So if you're on in the afternoon or you're at work and you're bored and you just want to check out the stream, we would love to have you. Again, Jen is going to be live today on this account from 2 to 3 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. And reminder, I will never follow you on TikTok. I will never message you on TikTok. There's a lot of people going around. They literally steal all of my material and then they steal my profile picture. Like, I changed my profile picture just for this exact reason and they stole it, and now there's another fake account and I had to block it last night. Like, people put so much time in just scamming and trying to take people from my live streams. So just be aware that there's a lot of people that will try to message you after the live stream or follow you and act like they're me. They're not me. I'm in a long here on scalper. Let's see how this plays out. So yeah, please just be aware. I don't want anyone getting scammed. There was somebody yesterday that messaged me and he was like, "Is this you?" And I was like, "No, that's not me." And he was like, "I was about to send this person $500. And there was a person last week when I was away on business. They sent some random person $500. And I was like, what is happening? Don't do that. Always confirm first. Even if it's, you're not sure, you want to check it out, break isn't along, then just confirm it. I want to put this up here. it doesn't hurt to confirm before you're like jumping into something, because most of the time it's not me. I will never follow you on social media. I will never message you on social media. That's why the easiest way to get in touch with me is just via email, boldbotllc@gmail.com. Yep, Scalper is one of my algorithms. I have about 7 algorithms. The ones that we use the most are Range, Scalper, and sometimes LAS. And now we're implementing Break as well. So yeah, we have a bunch, Dustin. But the one I was just showing you is Scalper. YM is in a long on Scalper. It's just the name of it. It doesn't actually mean that it only scalps, because some people will be like, I want the one that only scalps. And I'm like, it actually doesn't scalp. Like, it's funny because it actually, the way that we have it set up now, it's taking larger trades. Like this YM yesterday, it didn't take not one trade. So it's not like and I'm not sure why it's a thing that people that are new to trading think that trading more is a thing to be. Like, more trading does not equal. This is NinjaTrader. Yep. So I'm using NinjaTrader. You can start with as little as $2,000 to $3,000. You can also use a prop firm if you want. Apex did have a huge 90% sale that ended yesterday. So this is the NASDAQ that's being traded. It's green, $115. I also have the YM, which is the Dow off to the side. That is green, $65 in this long. This is the first trade of the day. Again, that YM did not take any trades yesterday. Yep, sure thing. If you have more questions or you want more information, just email me, boldbotllc@gmail.com. Did you guys see my nails? Did I put them on my social media? I think I put them on my Instagram. They look so good. So good. I'm so excited. Ooh, do you see how that's like auto-focusing? It looks better when I did that. So yeah, in this long of the NASDAQ, see how this plays out? And we're in the long of YM. Thank you. Thank you. Green undetermined. Are you shorting any banks? No. I don't trade any stocks. Right here, I only trade futures. The only thing I trade are futures. I would never short a bank. Green, $150 here. Nice. 400 in pink. Nice moves. Thanks, Jen. Aw, thank you, Josh, I didn't see you sign up yesterday, but maybe you had like a business account or something. Because I know you said you were signing up yesterday. Everyone, Lauren and her team is legit. If you join, you will not be disappointed. I really appreciate that, Josh. Yeah, we get a lot of really good feedback about, our white glove service and our customer service, because the whole point is, if you guys aren't making money, then you're not going to stay in the group. And if you don't stay in the group, then my business doesn't make money. So I make nothing out of seeing people not succeed. Like, I want everyone to succeed. I want every single person to succeed, whether you have a cash account or a funded account or whatever. But you also have to follow along, because there's people that will join and then they just do whatever they think is right, which is probably not, and then they oversize and stuff like that, and then maybe they bust their account. But perfect, Josh. I love to see it. But yeah, we are trying to do everything on our end. Obviously, we can't control the markets, but everything else, that we can control, we really help and try to control and, let people know, hey, you probably shouldn't be taking 10 minis on your first day. You have no idea what it looks like. The bot runs 23 hours a day. So it runs all day, every day, Sunday through Friday. All right, green $250 on break here. This was the one that just had that $600 short. Back to the chop zone. Do you see how we came right back to that 96, 97? Yep, so you can do a funded account where you don't have to use any of your own personal cash, or you can use cash and the minimum is at least $2,000. Most people start with $3,000 to $5,000. But again, you do have the option to do a fully funded account with Apex or Lilu or UProfit, OneProfit, any of those. Thanks for all the likes, guys. Keep tapping that screen. That's awesome. So green in this long $260. YM is turning around here, so it might get stopped for 200. We will have to see.
Order fill.
Yes, you still need $2,000 if you're doing micros. You can't do minis unless you have $7,000 to $10,000. And that's the thing, that people think that just because a micro only costs, $50 or $100, that they can just, I could just trade with like 1,000. But it's not true, because you have to give yourself room. Like, what if you have a loss and then the next day you have a lot? It's like, and it's not typical, but you have to actually give yourself a buffer, because if you don't, then like, who wants to be adding more money? So, we just play it safe. And especially if you want to take sizing, like most people don't just trade one micro. Most people will be trading 4 or 5 micros. And for you to do that with 5 MNQs is going to be then $500. So $500, and then, you need $500 minimum just to take that trade. And then on top of that, you just want to have a buffer. I don't know. It's just all about risk and understanding that, you need to have the money in there. So people need to make enough money to cover the cost and the fees for the group. So if you're trading with like $1,000, it's probably not going to happen. And I'm not trying to waste people's time like that. So. All right, we're still in this long. early's in a short. Let's get this. Yes, green, $70. See if we can drop here. I like this short. This is still in a long. Break is still in a long, but early's in a short.
Target filled.
Nice. Target filled. See if we can hit TP2 here. We're green, $85 on this last second contract. And then we'll be essentially back to even from that boss. Early in a third. Thanks for liking the live. I appreciate it. You could have played this short about 4 times already this morning. We didn't hit TP2 yet. This is such a tough area. It's 9:57. Remember, there is a report at 10 a.m. So let's see what happens there. Hey, Daniel. Thanks for the thumbs up. I appreciate it. I could probably do it more like that. Oh, you guys can see the purple now. At least it looks like from my end that you can. All right, back to the green for early. Let's see if it can get to target.
Target filled.
Target filled. Nice. Awesome. So early hit target again. Perfect. Oh, perfect, perfect. Three times in less than 30 minutes. Yes. Great job. Early. And range is 2 for 2 on oil. So that's great. This is break. It looks like it's going to stop. All right, now this can continue on the northern stream now that we already hit target on NQ early range. Oh, that report came out 10 o'clock. Do you see how it hit that and came right back down and now it's running back up? Let's go. This is awesome because you hit target on early and now we can run it up with a break. All right, sorry I'm typing so much. I just have something going on in the group. All right, it's 10:01. It's kind of boring. No one's really asking questions. I might jump off of here. How much profit have you made this far today? So 200 plus 6, $800. 4 trades. Five trades. 5 trades. NQ scalpers in a long. Let's see. This might get stopped. It's right $100. So I have a $200 stop on this. So not big. No, none of this is manual. All of this is 100% automated. I'm just typing. I'm just doing a bunch of angry typing to someone that... Like somebody emailed and said, what are the startup costs? But literally the informational email has all of that. It's like, number 1, do this. Number 2, do this. And this costs $50 a month. And number 3, the algo costs $500 for the first 21 days. Like, it's all laid out. So, whatever. All right. Whoa, whoa, whoa. We are moving lower. Can we break this 73 and then go to 70? Remember, this was the entire play that we discussed on the student call this morning. We have a private student call, 8:45 to 9:15 every single morning, and this was the play. Oh, shoot.
Order submitted.
Was that 267? Oops. Oops. I wonder how nobody knows that. 260, 267. I thought I heard recently that this is going to... no, definitely not. That's no. Yes, this is a VPS. You can see it. I can minimize it and then show you. So this is my actual computer. And this is the VPS. And that doesn't even make any sense. Algo. Like, what does that even mean? F-E, witty. Let's go. CL wrenches, no Tuesday. Yep. No, that's fine. William, that is correct. Because historically, it's actually really bad on Tuesdays. So it's actually only 600, not 800. All right, so that long was exited. It was actually only 600. I added oil, but oil's not live today. Sorry, William. Thanks, Jen. I'm going to pin that. Break is in this short for $160. Oh, we got to 67. Nice. Thanks, William, for sending that. Did I pin that, Jen? All right, I'm probably going to wrap it up soon. I was actually supposed to get blood drawn today. This is like the third time that they have canceled my appointment. Cool. I got like 4 or 5 of those. Oh, good. I was hoping, like, it would be such a bummer if somebody was, like, on the stream today and they're like, oh, I want to use Apex. And it's like, oh, they just had a 90% sale. That ended. There are so many choices. Yeah, gold has been really killing it. Gold, silver, but those won't ever overlap on each other because they're different products. So if you do either gold scalper or gold range, and then silver scalper has been killing it. I think it made like $1,500 yesterday or something. I'm not running it right now, but someone in the group is. So yeah. If you guys want more information, just email me, boldbotllc@gmail.com. I'll hang out for a little while longer. We are still in this short of break for $125, $130. NQ and YM each had a loss for $200. But those are on the ones that I'm testing that I think will do really well. Yesterday, let me see what they did yesterday. Yeah, yesterday made $1,500, so losing $200 today is not a big deal. And obviously today. Whoa, $385 in the short. This is nice. Wah, wah, wah. If you guys have any questions, let me know. Sometimes I run out of things to talk about. Right, yeah, you can get up to 20 Apex accounts at one time. So it depends on the day of the week, but you can run as many setups as you want. Look at this trail moving down. You can run as many setups as you want as long as your account can afford it. You know what I'm saying? Like, as long as, say you're running gold and oil and silver, you just have to understand what the risk is, because, and if you're running the NASDAQ, then you have to say, okay, well, if they all had a loss, you know, would my account still be okay today? That kind of thing. But outside of that, you could run gold and oil. Like, you don't have to just pick one. You could run gold and oil and silver and the NASDAQ every single day if you wanted, because they're different products. So as long as your account can handle it, you could run all of those. So we're in this $700 short, 730. So every single day I run oil and the S&P 500 and the NASDAQ. I just haven't been running gold lately, but I need to. I've also been running YM. Green, $760 here. Look at this drop. What was... I'm sure it's my student saying this. Did Laura get this drop? Well, it's been happening.
Order submitted.
All right. We got exactly to where. Nice job, Kyle. Kyle got it. Laura got it. I'm sure a whole bunch of other students got it. I hope William got it. But this was the exact play that was given at 8:45 this morning to all of my students. It was literally the only play. It was so obvious. And I even mentioned, oh, Mike got it. I even mentioned that it could pull back to the LIS before it drops. And that's exactly what it did. So when you stare at this every single day for a million years, it just becomes second nature. There's no risk chart. What? No, Kyle. Kyle, are you going to be in timeout today? It's called using math. It's called the Helpful Info channel. I'm going to repost it now. A risk chart. What? You multiply, Kyle. It's called multiply one number by the other. And then if you need to multiply by however many contracts you're doing, then that as well. I'm going to just message you, Kyle, because... All right. Whoa. Did we hit target? We did. $1,250. And we're in a long on scalper, green 130. I can put that over here. Sorry, my students were asking questions. $13,295 to 13,230. All right, I'm going to get off of here. It's 10:15.
Order filled.
Look at Brian. Look at all these Apex accounts he has. Apex, 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 Apex. All on gold, he said. That's his thing. You make $200 a day off of each Apex account. That's $1,000 a week. That's $4,000 a month. And he can withdraw that every month from his Apex accounts. So if you have 20 Apex accounts and you're withdrawing $4,000 per month per Apex account, I do that math. I'll do that math. All right, we're going to take a picture of this and put it on Twitter because this was the exact call that I made. Choo. All right. All right, I'm going to get off of here. Jen will be on at 2 p.m. Jeremy, let's go. It's Friday already. Figure out the numbers, Kyle.
Order submitted.
All right. Bye, guys. See you at 2 p.m. 2 p.m. to 3 p.m. We will be live again. Jen will be on the live stream, and we'll talk to you guys then. Okay, bye.